You're going to want this one. This is one is exceptional, and I'll tell you why. I personally know the gentleman I got it from. He restores and builds Mustangs. This was his car. You can get in and drive it anywhere. I met him down at Cruisin the Coast in Mississippi. He had this car there. He wouldn't sell it. He said he had numerous people, dealers and people wanting to buy it. It wasn't for sale. That's what he told me straight up. Jay, I'm not selling it because it runs and drives and functions way too nice. A few months later, I was able to get the car from him. But he did a complete restoration, top to bottom, and it's loaded up. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, pony interior, power top. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, beautiful car, completely repainted, nice glossy, smooth red finish. All this is straight and fits nice and all looking really good. All this is nice and the lines absolutely straight looking down the side. The doors look really sharp, clean. Paint job is slick. I don't see anything wrong yet, but we'll keep looking. Look at the gaps, are spot on. Oh, it just pops open. You barely touch the button. Jams are painted up real nice. Quarter panels all nice and clean and straight. Look at the reflection all the way down at the bottom. This is a car you'll be proud of. All clean, straight, shiny. I don't see any issues with the body at all. And again, the paint is beautiful. Well, here's a little spot here. I think someone got a little ambitious with the buffer. There's a little dark spot right there. All this nice and clean, all shiny, straight, smooth. Some people say, why does he touch the car? Well, maybe there's a little bubble or something I wouldn't have seen, but if I am touching in the areas where there would be rust or bubbles, better chance I'll find it. Door shuts like a new car, jams are clean. So the body and paint's excellent on the car. He said he replaced all of the chrome. So these pieces here, the handles, dual mirrors, emblems, the V8 289, the bumper. He put the GT fog lamps in here with the running pony. All of that's replaced. The bezels around the turn signals, the Ford emblems right on the front of the hood, the correct antenna. All that's replaced. Looks like he replaced the windshield. It's crystal clear. The stainless trim looks to be very good original. Even this chrome vent window frame has been replaced. The weather strips, the little fuzzy seals in here, the chrome around the top opening, all replaced. Convertible top is a black power top, all redone, replaced as well. You can see it has the boot on it that fits real nicely. Upgraded with 15-inch GT wheels. They were 14 originally, so a little taller, a little wider. Has the red centers that match the car real nice, and they're all wearing BF Goodrich tires. All looking really nice. And again, all replaced. The tail lights, the gas cap, the lock, bumper, reverse lights. And this has the GT exhaust coming through the valance as well. So it is dressed up like a GT with the exhaust, the wheels, and the fog lamps up front. All looking really sharp. All right, why don't we open it up? I got a lot more to show you. All right, check out the trunk compartment. Underneath the trunk lid, all painted up real nice, weather strip, bolts, sticker, all that's replaced. There's some nice little extras that go with it. Remade window stickers, some literature, a sign that was made for the car. Oops. I think that's just to put the sign in, maybe. Obviously a cover, all painted inside, has a spare with the tire cover. It matches the trunk mat, so that will all go with the car. Nice, clean, and complete. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do, click the bell icon so you're notified when new videos are posted. You can see the jams are nice and tidy, clean. It says the deluxe pony interior, so that includes the molded door panels, and you can notice the interior lights are working on the doors. It has the knife handle door openers. They're new, and so are the window cranks. When you sit in the car, you're going to be looking at all new stuff. Here's the switch for the fog lamps. Here's the power top switch. All the knobs, the instrument panel, all looks real nice. The Deluxe comes with the wood grain. The dash pad is replaced. I don't think the AM radio, I tried it when I was pulling it in here, it doesn't come on. It's just an AM radio. You can put stereos that fit right in there. They sell them. In here is the owner's manual. New glove box liner. The lights under the dash work. You get real nice fresh carpet with the pony mats. The air conditioning unit that he added that to the car, so it's all modern air conditioning. The whole center console looks like it's new. Also has wood grain. Well, this looks like a good original. It's got seat belts, which were not required yet at that time. New cushions in the seats. Has the running horses. That's why they call it the pony interior. And being a Deluxe, the back of the seat is upholstered too instead of just plastic. We got floor mats back here. And then the same thing. Upholstered pony seats, the armrest, window cranks, all that has been replaced. The light at the back of the console works. Has a nice Deluxe reproduction steering wheel, good looking wheel. And then the visors and mirror have been replaced. So very clean, tidy interior. All the lights working real nice. And even though it's an aftermarket air conditioning unit, that's how the originals looked. There was a separate unit hanging under the dash. So it is a completely rebuilt 289 motor. He rebuilt it, had it rebuilt, so I'm sure of that. Carburetor's redone and the distributor and all that's been gone through. New wires, chrome valve covers, and chrome open element air cleaner. And if you just look around, look how clean, look at the fresh bolts, the squirters are hooked up, the gray hinges, all this nice, smooth, clean, looking good, fresh stuff. Alternator, pulleys, all looks fresh. Up front here, it's got horns, new bolts. It's an aluminum radiator. Said modern air conditioning was added. He added power steering. It's the Borgeson power steering, much better than the original Ford power steering. Any Mustang restoration shop will tell you that. It has the Ford washer fluid bag for the squirters. And the right stickers, and again, real nice and clean. Also upgraded power brakes. It has dual reservoir front and back that's much safer than the single original. So this is a detailed, very functional motor compartment, and it's got what you want. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and a smooth running V8. I'll look at underneath the hood too. Michael's going to demonstrate how the car functions, and we'll see in a few minutes.
Everybody, top is down. It's time to go for a cruise. We are out on our private test track here on the museum campus, and we have plowed it with no snow or no salt, excuse me. Take this gorgeous car out and show you that everything is functioning well on it. Totally redone top to bottom. There's nothing that they missed on this one. Gorgeous ride, gorgeous restoration. We do have the heater on, and that is working well. It's a chilly day. Nice easy power steering, and then we got disc brakes too. But yeah, this car had been sitting in the in our showroom for I believe a day or two at least. And I got in, I didn't even pump the gas, I just give it a crank and she fired right up. So really nice tight running 289 there. And then the automatic transmission just makes for a great, easy experience. Give you guys just a little punch there. Get a little taste. But yeah, absolute winner top to bottom. Someone's gonna love it. Come test drive it for yourself when the weather permits, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So the underneath of this car looks like the motor compartment. All the components, nuts, bolts, brake lines, fuel lines, all looks like it's been replaced, detailed nicely. So all the steering and suspension has all been gone through. It does have disc brakes in front, drum and back, e-brakes all hooked up, new dual exhaust system. Fuel tank was replaced. You look up at the motor, it's clean and fresh and stock, even has a Ford Motorcraft oil filter. The Cruisin transmission, all clean, fresh. Same thing with the rear end. Just front to back, it's real nice. The floors are sprayed in the primer like the factory would have done it. So very dialed in, detailed car coming from a really good source. You don't know him, but I do. He's been dealing in Mustangs. I've bought several over the years. This was his car. And again, I met him at Cruisin the Coast in Mississippi, where it's just bumper to bumper traffic. And he was just bragging to me. He wasn't selling me the car. He wouldn't sell it, just bragging how nice it was. And he had so many offers, and it wasn't for sale. But here it is. Now it is for sale. If you're in the market for one of these, jump on it. If you're not in the market for one of these, I'd start thinking about it. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get financing. Thanks for watching.